Hello again, credit seekers. Want to transform your credit in just 90 days? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how our complete credit cleaning can make that happen. Day 1. Once you make your secure payment, you'll get instant access to our credit dispute form. Here, you'll upload your credit report and ID documents. Days 1 through 2. Our expert team dives in, conducting a comprehensive audit. We'll identify every disputable item and craft a custom dispute strategy just for you. Days 3 through 10. We kick off the first round of disputes with all 3 credit bureaus, targeting the most damaging items first. Days 15 through 45. You'll start seeing bureau responses, and we'll update your portal with real-time results. Negative items will start disappearing. Days 46 through 60. Based on the initial responses, we adjust and implement a follow-up strategy to address anything that wasn't removed in the first round. Days 60 through 90. This is where the magic happens. By now, you'll see significant score improvements as those negative items come off your report. Meet James. He started with a score of 542 after a divorce wrecked his credit. In just 68 days, with our complete credit cleaning, his score jumped to 706. That difference allowed him to qualify for an auto loan at 5.9% instead of 21%. And then there's Sarah. She needed to qualify for a mortgage, but had a low 500 score due to collections and late payments. After 83 days with our system, her score hit 649, saving her over $200 per month in interest on her new home loan. These aren't exceptions. They're what we achieve every day for clients just like you. Ready to start your credit transformation? Click the button below to get started with your complete credit cleaning. Be sure to ask about our payment plans. Don't wait another day, letting negative items cost you another dollar in higher interest and missed opportunities. Your credit transformation starts now.